Okay, this is going to be a video about OBS, how to record audio separately. Remember, of course, with OBS, if you're recording from desktop, you do power saving. If you're recording gameplay, you're doing high performance. So when you're doing a desktop, what you need to do is make sure that you've basically got two different channels, right? For audio of your mic and then audio of the gameplay, right? So basically, you're going to have your desktop on one, the mic on two. Output settings, recording, you want to make sure that you've got both 1 and 2 selected. Finally, with your mic, you want to make sure you've got gain and also noise suppression. You might want to increase that. So once you record, you can check that it's worked by having one video track and two different audio tracks. So what we'll do is we'll solo each audio track. So we'll solo audio 1 here. Hello, welcome to a video on Adobe Acrobat. We're going to look at... So that was basically me recording the desktop there. And then if we solo the other track, this is when me basically talking over it. All right, so I'm just talking over this just so you can hear the difference between. And then if you put them both in, you hear what it actually sounded like when I was recording it. All right, so I'm just talking over this just so you can hear the difference between one, so you can see. That's why the importance of having two audio tracks. So thanks for watching.